It's a great feeling when you know for a fact you've gotten every single penny out of an insurance claim that's owed to your client, and you've been able to get those funds for them.
Our loyalties will always lie with the policyholder. I'm Tom Lavoie, and I'm co-founder of American Claims.
My name is Dave Hahn. I'm one of the owners of American Claims. We're a public insurance adjusting company based in Colorado.
A public insurance adjuster is there to make sure that the playing field is leveled so that they aren't taken advantage of by insurance companies.
It's important to use a public adjuster in times of crisis because we're not affected by the claim the way you are. We're not looking for a new place to live. We're not looking for a contractor to rebuild our property. We're not worried about dealing with an adjuster because dealing with adjusters is what we do for a living. After years in the business, we saw some of the pros and cons of some of our competitors, some of our previous employers, and we wanted to be able to do it to give our clients the best possible representation so that we could help them get through what is most likely the most horrible thing that's ever happened to them.
I got recruited by one of the biggest public adjuster firms in the United States. I took all these things that I had learned previously, packaged them together, and it made for a very strong knowledge base, and I was up and running in this business in no time.
I started as a public insurance adjuster 37 years ago. In the middle of that time, I spent 7 years as an insurance adjuster for insurance companies. While doing that, I learned what goes on the other side of the fence. It enables me to be uniquely qualified to understand what they're doing, to know what their requirements are. And that's what enables me to get our clients a fair claim settlement. When a new client hires American Claims, the first thing we like to do is gather all the available information that's available at that time. We like to find out what our clients' concerns and fears are, what their hopes are. Not until any of that's been done do we actually even go look at the property and find out what it is we believe we can accomplish for our clients.
Most insurance adjusters from the insurance company will find the obvious things. I will actually look for the things that are typical to be missed by the insurance adjuster when I'm doing a walkthrough.
I think one of the big fears for people doing a claim on their own is the fear that things aren't going to work out right, that they're the only ones who have their best interest in mind. The average improvement we're able to get our clients at American Claims, we calculated to be 32%. For the adjuster, this is a job, and for the property owner, it's their business, it's their home, it's their family, and they need someone who can guide them through the process, someone who knows if the amount being offered is fair or not.
If you know someone who has recently experienced major damage to their property, please have them call American Claims for an immediate response.